The meniscal root anchors the meniscus to bone. When it tears, the meniscus is pushed outside the joint space. This meniscal extrusion increases cartilage overload and speeds up joint degeneration. Meniscal root repair begins with placement of the first suture through the torn posterior root. A second suture is then passed to provide stronger fixation and restore stability. At the final step, the sutures are brought through a transtibial tunnel and secured to the tibia, pulling the meniscal root back to its native attachment site.